أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. Inshallah, before we begin, let us recite. Today, we are going to learn the Arabic letters recognition, part 1. Inshallah, by the end of today's lesson, you will be aware of the 29 Arabic alphabets, and in the Arabic alphabet, there are altogether 29 letters. Now, let us zoom in and focus on the first 5 letters of the Arabic alphabet. And they are Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha. Before we move further, let's take a look at the articulation point of these 5 letters. Now, Alif itself, as we have known, or as you have seen in my previous slides, in my previous presentation, Alif itself has got no sound. However, it has to pair up with Hamza in order for it to have sound. Okay? Now, Alif is pronounced from the lower part of the throat here. Alif, Alif, Alif. Alright? And Ba is pronounced from the lips. Okay? So you see the letter Ba here. And when we want to pronounce Ba, we will put our lips together and we will release the sound B, B, Ba, B, Ba. Next, we have the letter Ta. Can you find where is letter Ta here? Now, this is where Ta is. So the way we pronounce Ta is by putting our front part of our tongue to the front upper front teeth, sorry. And so we pronounce Ta, 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 Ta. And the next letter here we have is Tha. Tha as in 3 dots, Tha. It starts with a TH sound, sound. Okay, and how do we do that? It is by sticking the tip of our tongue out between the top front teeth and the bottom front teeth and make the th sound, as in Tha, Tha. Right. So let's go back to our letters again. Before we end our lesson, let us recap the 5 letters that we have learned today.